Hi everyone. So today's inspiration is from our last year's vacation to Bengal. We stayed at this beautiful hotel ITC Sunar, and it had a grand and elegant lobby where they had kept these big candles for decoration. When I looked at them very closely, I realized that I had similar product with me, which are transfer me sheets. So since now Diwali is just around the corner, me use Diwali transfer me sheets. Let's start with the tutorial. For this you need tissue paper, water, transfer me sheet and plain white candle. Well, you can use any color, but I would prefer white because the image looks better on white. I hope you like the inspiration and the outcome, of course. Well, I'm loving it, and it is so easy to make such beautiful candles. If you like this inspiration, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.